The Duke of Alcantara Stradivarius is a violin made by Antonio Stradivari of Cremona, Italy in 1732. In 1929 it was purchased by a collector in the United States and later donated to the University of California, Los Angeles. A student at the university misplaced the violin in 1967 and the instrument went missing for 27 years. It reappeared when it was taken in for repairs and in 1995 UCLA successfully sued for ownership. Legend has it that the instrument was named after an 18th-century Spanish nobleman who was referred to as the Duke of Alcantara. The instrument was also allegedly owned by Napoleon I of France in the early 19th century. The violin was owned by Albert Kersel later in the 19th century. He sold it from his shop in Paris to a collector, Erich Lachmann of Berlin. In 1925, Lachmann sold the instrument to Dr. Steiner Schweitzer, a collector in Switzerland. In 1929, the Stradivarius was bought by Rudolf Wurlitzer in New York, and it was later transferred to one of his properties in Cincinnati. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.